Hello, my name is Folashade Daniel. I'm a cardiologist with the Lagos State University Teaching Hospital, Ikeja, here in Lagos, Nigeria. And I'm talking to you today about World Heart Day. World Heart Day is celebrated on the 29th of September every year, and it's been done so for about 20 years. Our main focus is to campaign and ensure that people are aware of the importance of the cardiovascular health, the health of your heart, and all that it entails. It's very important for you to be aware of cardiovascular diseases such as strokes and heart failure, heart attacks, because these are on the rise and actually cause a lot of deaths yearly. Nothing less than 17.5 million deaths are caused by diseases related to what I have mentioned already. And these are actually preventable. What role do you have to play in ensuring that you do not fall a victim of any of these diseases I have mentioned? It's important for you to take good care of your heart. And how can you do that? It's important for you to know that when you eat wholesome food, rather than food that has been highly processed, this is the best kind of food for your heart. Food in its wholesome form that has not been highly processed. What I mean by that is legumes and grains that are in their wholesome form, rather than polished grains. Then it's also important for you to take a lot of fruits and vegetables. Taking a lot of fruits and vegetables can help to prevent the onset of hypertension, which can also prevent you from having a heart attack or a stroke. It's important for you to be very active. An active person who walks a lot, does exercise for about 30 minutes daily or for at least 5 days in a week, which is about 150 minutes. It is actually helps to prevent heart diseases. It's also important for people not to smoke. Tobacco smoking is dangerous to your health. And it's a good thing that no more adverts are being made on tobacco. And actually the packs of cigarettes do say that people that do smoke are liable to die young. And that is very true, because smoking is dangerous to your health. It can cause hypertension, it can lead to strokes, and it can lead to heart attacks. Then it's important also for those who must drink to really moderate alcohol drinking. Not all alcohol is good. And even that which you drink must be very, very minimal. People that enjoy red wine, which has some other additives that are maybe beneficial, must even do it very moderately. It's important for you to keep a good weight, that is a healthy weight. Once your body mass index exceeds 24.9 kilogram over meter squared, then you are overweight and you need to lose some weight, which can be done by reducing your meal portions and ensuring that you remain very active. Being active is not only in form of, not just doing exercise, it's also getting out of your seat every so often, especially for young people that are working from home, working a lot at their computers. It's important for you to be very active. Stretch, do some squats, and so many other things you can do to be active. Very, very important for your heart health. Then it's important for you to reduce the amount of salt that you use in cooking, and do not even add salt to food that has been cooked already. Therefore, I would advise that do not even put salt on the dinner table, so you are not tempted to add salt to food already cooked. You need to minimize the use of seasoning cubes and salt so that your food has just moderate amounts of salt. Increased salt in the diet can cause hypertension. It's also important for you to do health checks. Regular health checks is very important, not just for people that are in their middle age, but even people from the time they start. By the time you enter the university, your admission, that is the time, a very good opportunity to find out about your health. If you get your blood pressure done, you can get your blood sugar done. And then as you get older, cholesterol is also one of those things that need to be tested, because these are things that can that increase your risk of developing a heart condition. It's also important for you to live a wholesome, relaxed life, rather than being on the go, working against deadlines all the time. Because when you're under a lot of psychological stress, it can lead to developing hypertension even while you're in your working life, and even while at the job, which actually at the end of the day the hypertension does not go away even when you leave that job. It's important for every one of us to be conversant and conscious of our health, because you do not leave it to chance until you start having symptoms before you find out what may be wrong. Because, for example, hypertension is one very, very silent condition. You will not even be aware that your blood pressure has gone up unless you check it. So it is important for us to do these checks regularly. Let's live active lives. Let's also encourage our children to live active lives, to also eat wholesome food rather than snacking all the time. These are the things that contribute to the health of the individual and the nation, our continent, and even the world. Thank you very much.